Oxford is a beautiful town, but with the expansion of construction, it is losing its trees. I spoke with Dr. Wahid Uddin to discuss this more.
Trees are different than grass. Grass actually is going to take away a lot of energy because you have to water it. It's going to lose a lot of water by evaporation. On the other hand, trees are different. Trees have got latent heat. They have got big mass of air, and the air is cool compared to the rest of the area around it. So if we have trees, we can reduce the amount of heat island effect which comes from the construction of asphalt and concrete and buildings. But has Oxford made a plan to regrow those trees, replant those trees? And that is a big question. If we don't have trees, we are going to have a bigger heat island effect. In fact, Kenok has shown in his PhD that 14.4% area, which was mostly trees and grass, in the new Walmart location and the Home Depot location, 14.4% area has been now replaced by asphalt and concrete, and more road. The end result was we have more, about 4 degrees more heat effect in summertime. And as I shown you before, that translate to productivity of workers. I'm very glad that people in Oxford are at least taking some action, but they really need to grow a program of replanting trees what we lost. We got to replant those trees. We need to find ways to do it. Now, unfortunately, I saw on Anderson Lane many of the development of new apartments complex being constructed in the last 1 year, 2 big apartments. I don't see any mitigation of either runoff water or replanting of trees which they removed. They were all filled with trees. So, the making of tree commission is one thing, but making a plan to gain what we lost is another thing. I hope after tree commission will take some action and find out the way to increase the number of trees which we lost. Especially the last 10 years was detrimental.
As you see in 1976, there were a lot of trees in Oxford. From the year 2000 to 2009, there has been a 30% loss in trees in Oxford, which is roughly 3.3% per year.
No replanting of trees there. So, unfortunately, we have a lot of trees in Oxford. We have been blessed, but we are losing it. What's being done? How we have to come back and replant those trees nearby in the same area. You cannot leave one big area open like a big mall or big houses, and then you put the trees in someplace else. You expect that the effect of trees will be, reducing the temperature will be less. So I think that unfortunately that the loss of trees too much. We are losing 3.3% tree cover.